Well, in this video I'll share with you how to design a YouTube thumbnail within a second. So you have to come here, the Canva Pro. If you don't have the Canva Pro, then you can go the Canva Pro. So there is the Canva Pro price, or yeah, you can get Canva Pro from me, 1 year only, $25. So you can DM me on my WhatsApp. I'll share with you my WhatsApp number on my YouTube description. Anyway, so I'm going to Canva here and Canva AI. So I just it was my video, like my video title on the YouTube. So I will give a prompt. Give me YouTube thumbnails. So you can select your Instagram post as well. So I have select the YouTube size 16:9. I do click here and you have to click the create images. Then you can see there is 4 different thumbnail which you looks good. You can see growth, sales 3x, more followers using Instagram ads. These one good, you can use. These one use also, it's good. So you can also add the, you can also edit whatever you want from here. You can edit it, or you can use the rest on this one also. I just created few seconds ago this one, so I like this one. I'll use this for my video. So I have already downloaded this and I am going to my YouTube this. So going to my YouTube channel and I wanted to change this one, so I just click here. So I do click the edit video. So I will go to my creative studio now and I'll do change the thumbnail offset. So come here, 3 change and go download, and here you go, this one. So I can make some changes for this title. So it is uploading and do save. So your thumbnail looks more beautiful. So in this way you can create a Canva Pro, create a thumbnails very easily and short time. So there is some variation as well, you can see. So which is best, you can use that. Thank you for now.